Hello friends, bonjour. In my today's video, I will teach you avoir verbs. Verb avoir means to have. One of the most common verbs in French is avoir, which means to have. It is used to describe things. It is a irregular verb. The verb is used in quite a few situations where we used to be in English. Verb to be and to have is the most common verb. We already done être verb. Now we learn avoir verb to have. So I want you to learn I have, you have, he has, and so on. Singular and plural. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has or it has. Elle a, she has or it has. Now in plural. Nous avons means we have. Vous avez means you have to elder. Ils sont means they have in masculine plural. Elles sont means they have in feminine plural. Let's see some example of avoir verb. J'ai une voiture. I have a car. Tu as mange une pomme. Tu as mange une pomme. You have eaten an apple. Elle a une belle sourire. Elle a une belle sourire. She has a beautiful smile. Ils sont vu le film. Ils sont où vu le film. They have seen the film. Vous avez de belles plans. You have beautiful pants. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.